Where are you now? It seems my teammate is almost here. I called to tell you to take your time. The organizers are experiencing technical difficulties. It will take them a while to fix things. That should be more than enough time for you. Very much so. You make me sound like a human lamp. All the lights will be turned off before the show starts. Well, they're already off. It's dark over there, so watch where you're going. Especially since that stall is in front of you. You're the only one running through the crowd. I'd be blind if I couldn't see you. It's fine. Since it's dark, no one will notice. Everyone will be focused on the fireworks. I'm sorry. Please excuse me. Watch your step. I'm walking over to where you are. It's all right. I'll be in front of you before you know it. I did. It's beautiful.